Video marketing stands as the unrivaled leader in today's digital engagement landscape, capturing attention like never before. In a world where static content no longer suffices, dynamic videos reign supreme, compelling consumers to take action. Imagine captivating audiences on platforms such as YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels with engaging video content. With the right strategies and data-driven insights, businesses can propel their video marketing efforts to new heights. Not every video agency can deliver results. Selecting the right one is crucial for your advertising success. This guide uncovers the top video marketing companies and what sets them apart from the competition. The staggering effect of video cannot be ignored, with conversion rates rising by 80% when included on landing pages. Success is built on storytelling, and every effective video should hook viewers within the first few moments. Statistics reveal that 93% of marketers view video as an essential part of their strategy for outreach. Brands that neglect video risk getting lost in the overwhelming ocean of online content, severely limiting their reach. Utilizing video for your e-commerce strategy can increase purchase intent by nearly 97%, enhancing customer trust. Video marketing isn't merely a trend, it's a fundamental driver of success in the digital age for all brands. No Good shines as a top-tier agency, specializing in viral video content designed for peak engagement and conversions. With an impressive clientele including TikTok and Amazon, No Good leverages analytics to tailor impactful video campaigns. Design Rush differentiates itself by connecting businesses with the right video marketing partners, based on their unique needs. This marketplace model allows brands to efficiently find expertise without the limitations of a single agency. For brands aiming to conquer YouTube, Vireo Video is the expert in video content strategy and SEO. Focusing on paid promotions and organic growth, Vireo Video ensures content reaches the right audience on YouTube. Lemonlight provides high-quality video production services that cater to startups and businesses on a budget. They deliver a range of solutions from product demos to full-scale commercials, making video accessible for all. Epifio excels in creating animated explainer videos that simplify complex concepts for B2B and SaaS industries. Their approach transforms intricate messages into engaging narratives, perfect for educational and tech-focused content. Bold Content Video is celebrated for its emotional storytelling, driving impact through polished, professional aesthetics. Their craft draws audiences in, ensuring brands effectively communicate their core values and missions. Wizal pioneered animated explainer videos, gaining a reputation for efficacious storytelling across numerous industries. Their rapid production process guarantees high-quality videos without extended wait times, maximizing efficiency for clients. For brands with unique personalities, Sandwich Video combines humor with strategic messaging, leaving a memorable imprint. Their quirky storytelling style captivates audiences, making even complex product benefits relatable and entertaining. To find the right video marketing agency, start by defining specific goals and desired outcomes for your campaigns. Budget considerations play a pivotal role, as various agencies cater to a spectrum of financial constraints. Evaluating an agency's portfolio and their distribution strategies ensures alignment with your brand's vision for success. With video marketing becoming a necessity, choosing the right partner can transform your audience engagement and brand success.